Many brands have launched their own smartwatches in the last few years, offering users a whole lot of choices. To stand out from the crowd, many of these products offer interesting features not seen commonly in the market. If you have used a smartwatch, you might have noticed that there's one obvious feature that's still not found even in the most high-end products. You might be able to get notifications for calls and messages and control a lot else with your watch, but the ability to receive and make calls through the watch itself is still a bit elusive. Our product today claims this seemingly futuristic feature as its USP, and while it might not always measure up to its competitors in many of its other characteristics, this very useful function does make it a very desirable addition to your arsenal of gadgets.
Here we go!
The ANC Wear Bluetooth smartwatch comes with a SIM card slot that can turn it into a standalone cell phone. With a GSM SIM card, it enables you to receive or make calls, and along with a number of other standard features, lets you truly keep your phone tucked away through most of the day. We don't have to tell you how useful this freedom to handle calls while keeping your hands free can be for many users while working or driving, or when just at home with the phone away from you. The call quality is also quite good for a device this small, and available at a fraction of the cost of any smartphone. Apart from this, the many other features that you would expect from a standard smartwatch are all there. You can use the ANC Wear Watch to set reminders, access your calendar, and get notifications from applications like Facebook and WhatsApp. The built-in microphone lets it be used as a nifty audio and video playing device as well. And the health management features that have made smartwatches so popular are all there too, including a pedometer, a sleep monitor, and a sedentary reminder. To add to this list is its ability to function as a remote camera and a Bluetooth dialer for your cell phone. While the watch is compatible with both iOS and Android phones, it does not have direct access to the app stores of either system. But it does come pre-installed with a bunch of handy applications which make life easy for any user. In terms of design, the ANC Wear watch offers a good quality considering its pricing, but might not be comparable to higher-end gadgets. It's a 3.52-ounce device with a 1.54-inch TFT LCD 2.5D Radian capacitive touchscreen. The size of the 240 by 240 pixels display is a little large, but probably necessary given its functionality. Even though the anti-sweat band makes it look a bit like a toy device, the overall appearance of the device is very similar to an Apple Watch. One final plus for the gadget is that it ships with a 16GB microSD card, so one can start using it immediately with the option of adding the SIM card later. Because of some issues with looks, app choices, and limited functionality in the absence of a SIM card, the ANC Wear smartwatch loses out in customer reviews too, with an average score of just about 2.9 on 5 stars from over 300 users. This is a shame, because this very interesting smartwatch is quite efficient at doing what it claims to do in its advertising. That's about all we have on the ANC Wear Bluetooth smartwatch with SIM card for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other smartwatch reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.